Children, today's date is 13th of May and the year is 2021. Today's day is Thursday, and in our numeracy class today we are going to do an activity. It's called roll the dice activity. So you will need a dice for this. So you have to roll the dice, count the dots on the dice, and color the correct number apples. So this is another sheet that I'll be giving you, which has some numbered apples, and you'll have to color them. Okay, so we will do this activity in detail. I'll explain it to you. Okay, so let's start by recognizing the numbers. So here comes the first number on your screen. Which number is this? The number is 1. Yes, so how many pineapples do you see here? Or I should say pineapple, not pineapples. Yes, there's just one pineapple. Okay. Now which number is this? The number is 2. And how many papayas do you see here? Can you count the papayas? 1 and 2. 2 papayas. Which number is this? The number is 3. So there are a set of few red apples as well as green apple. So how many total apples can you see here? Can we count the apples? 1, 2, 3. Even the green one is an apple. Yes? So how many apples do you see here? 3 apples. Okay, so we have some pears over here. So which number is this? First we can recognize the number and then count. The number is 4. And how many pears can you see here on this card? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, so we recognize the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go ahead. Comes the next number. Which number is this? The number is 5. And how many bananas can you see here? Can we count the bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bananas. Yes. Now, which number is this? The number is 6. And there are some nice juicy strawberries here. So can we count how many of them are here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 juicy strawberries. Yes, so we just recognize the numbers starting from 1 to 6. Now let me explain to you how we are going to play the dice game. Let's start doing this activity. Now for this activity you are going to require 2 things. The first one is this sheet. So I'm going to send you a picture of the sheet separately. So you can either take a printout of the sheet and then stick it in your numeracy notebook, or else this is an easy sheet. So parents can copy the sheet in their child's numeracy notebook. Yes? So this is the first thing that you need. And the second thing that you need is the dice. Yes, this is called a dice. So this is shape of a cube. Yes, so it has 6 sides. Yes, and every side has a few number of dots. Yes, you can see here every side has a few number of dots. Yes. So these are the 2 things, the sheet and the dice. Yes, so this is easily, I think everyone has this dice. Yes, you get it with your set of snake and ladder board and Ludo, yes, and many other games as well. So what you have to do is roll the dice and count the dots. So what is the need of this dice? You have to roll it and then you have to count the dots on it. And after you have done that, now you need the sheet. Find the number. So this is just the dots. You have to find the equivalent number and color it here. Okay, so let's play. Yes, I'm going to play it at least 3 times. Yes, and show you how you're going to do this. So play till you have completed all the numbers on your sheet. Okay, so let's start. So this is my dice. Okay, the first step is you roll the dice. Okay, so let's roll the dice. Okay, here. So how many dots can you see here on the dice? Can we count the dots? 1, 2. Yes, 1, 2. So this, you counted the number of dots. Now coming to the sheet, can you find number 2? Yes, there are many numbered apples here. Yes, where is number 2 apple? Yes, over here. Yes, so you can color this number 2. There are more 2's. There are more 2's here. Yeah, number 2 apples here. But you just color one at a time. Okay, so now you colored once. Yes, the number 2 over here. Okay, let's roll the dice once again. Okay. Okay. Oh, we got number 2 once again. Okay, so come back to this sheet and find another number 2. We already colored this one. So find another one. Okay, where is number 2? Oh, here. Okay, so this is the second number 2 apple that we got. So you can color this. Okay, let's roll the dice once again. Oh, number 2 again. Let's try once again. Another number. Okay. Now, which number is this? Can we count? The dots 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So come back to the sheet. For me, it is the screen. Okay, and find number 3 apple. Where is the number 3 apple? Oh, here I got it. So you can color this number 3. Okay, just 1. Again, if you get 3, I think there will be more 3's here. So you can color it once again. Yes. Let's roll the dice one last time and see which number we get. Okay. I want to get some other number. Okay, let's see. So can we count the dots now? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So can we hunt for number 5 apple here now? Where is number 5? Okay, I got one here. There are 2 5, but I'll color just 1. Okay. Again, if I get 5, I'll color the other 5. So you can color this 5. So you keep playing, keep rolling on the dice. Yes, sometimes the number will become repetitive. Yes, so if you have got 2's and you have colored it already, all the 2's, you skip that chance. Roll the dice once again. Okay, and keep rolling and keep getting the numbers and keep coloring them here till your sheet is over. Okay, children, so this is your homework for today. You can complete the sheet and submit it tomorrow. Yes, you don't have to hurry up and submit everything today. You can submit tomorrow. Happy learning. Bye.